Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to the Medicos Notebook. So the topic of the today's video is the causes of cell injury. Cell injury goes through the multiple or wide range of causes. It ranges from simple trauma to the gene defect. Simple trauma such as accidents causes tissue injury and causes inflammation and necrosis of the cells. Genetic defect such as a single gene defect causes a single amino acid defect can cause a non-functional enzymes or protein formation, so the specific metabolic disease happens. Categories of the injurious stimuli or noxious stimuli. There are many types of noxious stimuli, for example hypoxia and ischemia, infectious agents, immunologic reactions, genetic abnormalities, toxins, physical agents and aging. So first we go through ischemia and hypoxia. That the most common cause of the cell injury. Reasons behind cell injury in this condition is decreased oxygen supply, decreased nutrient supply and increased metabolites. Nutrients such as glucose, amino acids or any other vitamins and energy in the form of ATP can cause decreased nutrient supply. Metabolites, for example, increased carbon dioxide, lactic acid accumulation or any other drug metabolite can cause tissue or cell injury. In the case of lungs or heart. Mechanism of hypoxia and ischemia occur in three forms. Blockage of the arteries. Obstruction of the arteries is the main cause of the hypoxia happening in the organs. For example, lumen of the arteries occlude by the embolism or thrombi. It will block the oxygen supply to the organ. Decrease lung diseases. Because of the lung diseases, there is a decreased oxygenation in the blood and decreased hemoglobin level in the blood. So the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood also decreases. The second category include immunologic reactions. Autoimmune diseases happening in the body because of the defective immune system can cause many cell and tissue damages. Autoimmune diseases result in inflammation. Inflammation further result in increased tissue damage because of cytokines and other mediators. And chronic immune responses. Chronic immune responses include hyperimmune reactions. There are infectious agents, for example bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoas. They all are involved in the cell damage. Genetic abnormalities. Due to the mutation of a single amino acid gene, abnormal proteins are formed. So, for example, in the case of sickle cell anemia, only a single gene is mutated and it causes red blood cells, defective shape of the red blood cells, and they are more fragile to death. So it causes cell death or cell injury. Toxins such as air pollutants, insecticides, carbon monoxide, asbestos, cigarette smoke, ethanol, and drugs can cause cell injury. And mostly therapeutic drugs, if taken in a high dose or if taken inappropriately, causes cell damage. Physical agents and aging. Physical agents, for example ultraviolet radiations or temperature and any other agent can cause cell damage. Aging is a main cause of cell damage. Aging results in a diminished ability of cell to respond to the stress, eventually the death of viewers. This is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Tell me your feedback about this video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.